接下来呢，让我们用掌声有请我们的社区代表、港加商会多伦多主席 Joseph 常先生，有请您。
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate to the event and the Toronto Spring Festival nonprofit organization. This is the first year for this, firework. And absolutely, I think that is a very great news for our community, for our Chinese. Of course, Hong Kong Canada Business Association, on behalf of our chairman, and I would like to congratulate to the organization. The Toronto Spring Festival, and the first year. I'm sure that will be a very successful event, and I look forward to hear all the great celebration in the next more couple years, and we would like to be one of the supporters for this organization as well. Thank you very much, and thank you, 涂总还有吴总. Thank you for you to invite me to be here today. Thank you. 恭喜发财！我的普通话说得不好，所以谢谢你们。
但是恭喜发财说的还是非常标准的，
谢谢你，
这就够了。好的，谢谢。我们也到了我们今天发布会的一个闪光的时刻了。我相信一场好的活动一定是离不开赞助商的大力支持的，而特别是大家也可以看到了，无论是线上和线下这场活动的曝光的力度，包括所有人凝结的那种心力，都是前所未有的。也相信这样的一个力度，绝对可以给到我们的品牌朋友们更好的一些曝光和支持。那是。